Coming soon to MGS's Germantown, Wisconsin headquarters, the MGS Innovation Center. MGS helps leading healthcare innovators bridge the gap between imagination and realization. Inside this new 120,000 square foot innovation center, leaders in pharma, diagnostics, and MedTech will have access to MGS's full range of capabilities, from production ideation to delivery. Here, customers will have access to expertise in product development and design, mold design and manufacturing, automation development and testing, part and process validation in Class 7 and 8 cleanroom environments, quality inspection with tactile, optical, and CT measuring, and more. As an MGS customer, you will be able to access these end-to-end solutions to ensure product quality and speed to market. We look forward to welcoming you in late 2024. Stay tuned for more updates from MGS.